So many people trying to skip the journey. Don't do it. It won't help you. It will not. So what's going on, guys? I want to go ahead and get ready for the day. Set my tripod up, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna record today. I'll just shoot a little bit of content for you guys and show you guys one of my favorite trading tools. I've been using this trading tool for over 4 years, and when I say it simplified my learning curve, I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like. You know, a lot of people always ask me, like, why did I get into trading? My response to that is just like, growing up, I didn't have like wealthy conversations, really bad with like managing money and stuff like that. I didn't know how much it like affected me as much as it did until I got into like my adult life. And I'm like, man, you know, bills is getting higher and, you know, I need more income. The time when I found trading was like when I was becoming a mom. I was like, wow, your girl needs to like mature a little bit more. I really feel like that's what trading did for me. I feel like that's what's needed with a lot of us women, because we miss out on certain things like financial literacy. This down for a second. Cannot do makeup standing up. I just get exhausted. Probably gonna be one of those videos where you gotta be like, okay, who was I before trading and who am I now? Because those people are two totally different people. I don't know what be going on with this hair, y'all. I love the curls, but sometimes it gets a little itchy. But I just love how the curls are just, they instantly just stay in place. So not only am I a trader, but I'm a full-time mom. So right now my son is at school, so I have some time to talk to you guys and shoot. So I will be making other videos, and I'm also making a video today on showing you guys my favorite tool, because not only has it simplified the process for me, but it actually just helped me train my eyes looking at the market. Show you guys really quick. I thought I heard a beeping outside. Okay, I don't know who that is. So I'm gonna show you guys my space really quick. Okay, so right here is my setup. This has got to be the best tool, hands down. Okay, I also am drinking some tea. I don't know why I had to put that in there. Show you this tool, all right, but I'm actually sharing my screen with you guys, so let's get into it. So I went ahead and pulled up our tool, the harmonic scanner. This tool is probably one of my favorite tools just because of how simple it is to read. And if you understand, when it comes to the market, you're just looking for the perfect entry. You're looking to see what potential targets the market could potentially hit. And this tool has built-in indicators giving you extra confirmation. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and break this tool down for you guys so you guys can understand how you can use this tool coming into my community, and you know how it can really, you know, just really enhance like your results. Okay, so if you want to make a lot of money in trading, we all know that, you know, compound interest is like very vital. We all know risk management is the most important piece, right? Because you want to be able to trade another day, and you know you got to have money in your account. So this actually gives you the entry, it gives you a potential stop loss, and it gives you potential targets. So I'm gonna start right here on the right hand side, because this is where you're going to find all the different currency pairs. All right, and it has it on different time frames. So right now I'm actually on the 4 hour. Okay, and so if I go down, you can see how long ago these trades were called out. And right now, I've been pretty much focusing on GBP CAD. This was called out 7 days ago. All right. And I pretty much changed my time frame to the 1 hour just so I can get a closer look at what's going on in the market live right now. All right. It's Friday, right? January 31st. And this is the market currently live. So right here where it says invalidation level, that is going to be your stop loss, your potential stop loss. And this green line represents your entry. So when the market starts to get around this area, right, that's where you want to start looking in to get into the market. All right. So if I scroll down, these blue dotted lines represent your ideal targets. So the market could potentially, right, the market can potentially hit these targets, right? Because you always want to have your stop loss above your entry, and then your targets are going to be below if you're looking for a sell. And so I want to hop into this indicator right here. It's called the MACD. So if I scroll in just a little bit, right now, the market was pushing up. And that's why you're getting blue volume bars. But as soon as the market starts to come down, that means that the momentum is changing in the market and it's going to come back down because what goes up must come down, right? And then the last indicator is the RSI. So right now, as you can see, the market is still in its upward momentum. And soon as it gets across this red dotted line, I'm gonna actually make that a little bit thicker so you guys can kind of see that. And all of this is just changing the settings. All right, so as you can see, the market is going up. As soon as it starts to cross above the red dotted line, you want to wait for those two lines to cross back over each other. So what do I mean by that? So if I click right here, actually, I'm gonna make a circle, right? I'm gonna make a circle right about here. And as you can see, the two lines crossed and the market went down. So that's what we're looking for currently, right? So if I go back, right? And we're looking at the market. So it is around our entry level, right? It's very, very close to our stop loss. And I was looking at this around this area. So I kind of caught some of the sell and it retested. So it's almost to the stop loss line. So if you got in where I got in and you put your stop loss above, it's going to be about 20 pips, right? About 19, 20 pips. Um, and we're just looking for the market to come back down, right? So again, I'm looking for the market to come back down. I'm looking for red volume bars to represent a downward momentum. And I'm looking for the RSI lines to cross so they can come back down. So all of that is giving me extra confirmation that the market wants to sell. All right. And so if I go over to my broker, right, I took my entry already. So that's why I'm in the red right now because it's passing my entry, but I do have a stop loss and I properly risked my account, right? So I know that I'm not going to blow my account or anything because I have a safety net, right? So what I do is I take the ideal goal that I was given and I type in those numbers. So 78117, 78117. All right, I got my first stop loss. And, if you're good with trading, right? If you're good with trading and you understand how to, move up your stop loss and all that to protect your profit, you understand that that's vital as well. But right now, we're just focusing on the tool itself, right? So I'm about to enter my ideal goal 2 for my second trade, which is 7747. I'll go ahead and put that in there. 7747. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in my last target, which is 76431. 76431. 76431. So I have my stop losses in there. I have my take profits in there. So if the market does come back down and hit my target goals, then it's going to knock me out the market in profit. All right. So that's pretty much how the tool looks. All right, that's how you read it. And if you want to get access to this tool, you go ahead, send me an email, and I'll go ahead and get you set up so you can start using this tool so you can be a part of my private community where we're actually teaching people the skill set of trading. We're teaching people how to properly risk their accounts. And, you guys can really, really just take some value from this. Okay. So definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. When it came to trading, right? I was so new to the information. I did not understand what I was missing out on, but I did not also understand how much this can improve your overall lifestyle. What do I mean by that? When you're looking to become a better trader, right, you're going to go through different trials and challenges, and you start to see that you're persevering through every single challenge and it's making you better. That starts to seep into your personal life as well. Like, you want to be better at everything you do. And it can be the simplest thing. Okay, what do I mean? I came into trading when I was a new mom, and I feel like I was still trying to get used to my whole lifestyle. That itself was already challenging for me. So incorporating something else that's challenging, like I felt like I knew I can do it. That's all I'm saying. I don't know how to explain it really, but I was like, I knew for a fact that, you know, if I'm conquering motherhood, I can conquer this skill set. Okay. It really started to shape just who I was as a person because, you know, you have to operate in just boundaries, obviously, when it comes to trading, right? Or you will lose all your money. So when I started to see that, you know, I needed certain boundaries on my lifestyle, you know, I knew I had to have boundaries around my eating. I had to have boundaries around just my responsibilities. Like you start to get really structured in your life. And it's so amazing how this skill set can really do that, how it can rewire your brain. And I always say, you know, growing up, you know, I never had wealthy conversations or just, you know, just conversations on how to really properly manage your money, right? And nothing against, you know, my parents or anything like that. They're great at saving, okay? They know how to do it, okay? I don't know where it got lost in, you know, helping me learn how to manage money. I don't blame that at all. But they were always there for me. They always provided for me. So, you know, that was never the issue. It was about me knowing I can get money, but keeping it. That's where you're gonna have the most difficulty because I'm like, I can always get some more. You know, I always operated like that. But when you get into certain situations where you're like, man, my car just broke down and I just paid my rent. All that money that you spent on something else could have been towards that, but you didn't really realize that, right? You weren't thinking that far ahead, right, for emergency. So, you know, it really started to change my trajectory on how I thought about life. And I'm just like, you know what? You gotta get your finances in order, right? You're a mom now, so you gotta get your finances in order. So all of that stemmed from trading. Yes. So all of that stemmed from trading. And, you know, my message to any young woman out there, definitely start investing in your 20s. But also, if you're not trading, start trading because you're going to start to see that when you get into this space, you're going to see other women that look like you, but they've grown into the best version of themselves. And that's how you want to be. You want to become the best version. But if you've never seen, you know, what better versions of yourself could look like, because we always see ourselves in somebody else, right? So if you don't see that in other people, how can you see within yourself, right? You look at yourself every day in the mirror, but you can say, you know what, I'm good with where I'm at. But until you see somebody who's, you know, doing better than you or looking better than you, you're going to compare yourself a little bit, but never compare yourself to other people at the end of the day. Always be you, but understand like you incorporate so many different things into who you are, right? That's why you have a certain look, right? You get characteristics from your mom, your dad, all that good stuff. And, you know, when it comes to trading, right, you have all these different tips and strategies to mold you into that trader that you need to be. So with that being said, you know, it started to really mold me into the woman that I am today. And when I say I'm loving the journey, y'all, you got to go through the journey. So, right, girl, I got you. Okay, let's go ahead, get into that. So when you come into my community, you're already going to know what to do, right? You're already going to know what to do. You're going to be ready and you just need to get set up. So let's go, y'all.